Guys, we're traveling. Go from Cavendish authentic place where we enjoying our swimming, and now we're moving to another place for our cabin to stay, and it calls Stanhope. So let's see, because our experience from Cavendish is so awesome. We're enjoying so much every day. Thank you, Lord, for this opportunity. And now look at the place. So greenish. Very greeny, eh?
Yeah. It's the same.
Pag ipupus ko tumika, ano naman ako sa music eh. May tugtog ka eh. Maano tayo nun? Copyright?
Kailangan mo kantahan ng boses mo.
Oyster bed. Oh wow, may oyster dito.
What's an oyster? It's a sea fish. It's like a shell.
Irving ang gas nila dito. Wala silang petrol. Petron and also co-op.
Walang co-op dito sa Maritimes.
Walang co-op sa Maritimes?
I think I've only seen Petro, Shell, Irving. Yan yung malaki, Irving. Irving is the top.
Guys, that one is wet. That we're making for wet bread. A farm. Farms of wet. Guys, farm cows.
No, I was like this. But I had this.
Ano kaya pagbaba nito? Tubig? Lake? Ocean?
Land.
Land pa rin.
Farm.
Oh my gosh.
May binibenta sila mga gulay dito sa bahay.
Fruit snack, oh!
Sa bahay lang, oh.
Sa tabi. Di mo chinek.